Hey guys! Okay, so I have Girls' Generation's Soul playing in the background. That's one of my favorite songs on the album. So yeah, anyways, this has nothing to do with Girls' Generation. This is like a taste unboxing, or a taste test, I guess. So basically I got the Crunky Crunch chocolate bar in the mail. The chocolate that EXO is promoting, and I just decided to like show you guys it and just taste it on camera and show you guys, or tell you guys what it tastes like. So basically, I mean, by the looks of it, it looks like a crunch bar here you have in the United States. So it's just like chocolate with like little puffs or crunch in it. So yeah. So here's a closer look at the front, the back. So let me just open it. I actually wanted to show you guys this. So the packaging is like the chocolate is wrapped in. It's just like tin foil, and it says like Lotte all over it. Like legit everywhere. So basically, it's like you can see it's broken here and here. But yeah, so let me open this time for reals. What? It's like really tightly sealed here. Oi. You guys should comment down below what's your favorite songs from SNC's Mr. Mr. album, because I would love to hear what all of your guys' favorite songs are. My favorite song is definitely Soul, and Goodbye, definitely one of my favorites. All the songs are amazing, but okay, I'm really bad at opening this, guys. Oh, it's broke! Okay, so it just looks like this. And like inside has little white puffs. I don't know why this is not focusing. Hold on. Whatever, but yeah, it looks like this. So let's just try it. It's not bad. It just, when I first bit it, it kind of tastes like it's burnt. But, one sec. I don't know if that's just me. It kind of tastes like it's burnt. But, yeah. It has a weird before and after taste, like, I don't know, but it's definitely not a chocolate I've tried before. So yeah, that was my taste of EXO's Lotte Crunky bar. So I bought this from K-Pop Town, actually. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video for more K-pop videos to come. So thank you all, and I'll talk to all you lovelies in my next video. Bye!